Hurricane Fiona, which caused major damage in Puerto Rico, remains very strong as it nears Bermuda. Weather Channel forecaster Chris Warren.
Hurricane Fiona will hit Nova Scotia Friday night with damaging winds, heavy rain, and dangerous storm surge. Stay indoors. Avoid the coastline and rivers. Charge devices and have enough supplies for at least 72 hours. Listen for further updates from officials. Severe flooding along the northern shoreline of PEI is expected during Hurricane Fiona. Immediate efforts should be taken to protect belongings. Avoid shorelines. Waves and surf are extremely powerful and dangerous. Residents in those coastal regions should be prepared to move out of the area if needed. Contact local authorities for support. Quebec alert ready. This is a hurricane alert issued by the Ministère de la Sécurité Publique. Hurricane Fiona will hit eastern Quebec on Friday night to Saturday. High winds, torrential rains and storm surges are expected to cause damage. If you are in the affected areas, stay indoors, avoid the coast and shoreline. Follow the instructions of local authorities. To obtain additional information, please visit alert.gouv.qc.ca or consult the local media. Extreme winds across PEI. Shelter inside in a safe location. Stay away from windows and doors. Do not go outside unless absolutely necessary. Contact local authorities for help if necessary. Hurricane Fiona is still an active weather event with continuing damaging winds, heavy rain and dangerous storm surge. Stay indoors and off roads as some are impassable due to fallen tree limbs, power lines and other debris. Shelter in place. Roads are unsafe. Downed power lines and fallen trees are dangerous. Motorists are creating hazards and interfering with emergency response. If you need to leave your home, consider staying with family or friends. Comfort centers will be open when local travel is declared safe by officials. Emergencies, call 911. Municipal services and information, call 311. Police non-emergency, call 902-563-5151.